Hello, it's Davita. Welcome back to Abstract and Flow. So as you can see, got my turntable out. So we're going to do something and spin today. I thought I would try a pearl pour. But rather than tilt it, I'm going to spin it. The premise, in order to create the pearls, is to have a thin layer of your pour paint on your base coat. So if we spin it, that is going to reduce the amount of paint left on the board. Let's see if we get some pearls. So today, I am using Amsterdam's Payne's Gray and mixed it with 1 ounce of Liquitex. And because I'm only doing this small 12 by 12 inch board, I only did 0.5 ounces of paint and exactly 0.4 ounces of water. So this is the Liquitex. You can see the consistency is quite thin. My base, I use exactly 5 ounces. This is floetrol. 3 ounces of Loft Flow White acrylics. Exactly 1.5 ounces of water. And 2 ounces of the Behr Ultra Satin Enamels. So I did not use the Deco Arts, I believe it's Deco Arts Satin Enamels. I use this Behr. Let's see if I can get it in the camera. Behr Ultra Satin Enamels 7750. And I put tape when I'm pouring it out. Makes a little triangle and it pours out very smoothly. And this is the consistency of my base. Very thin. It's just pouring off the stick. Very thin consistency. Okay. Now, you know I always do a practice tile. And this is my practice tile, but this was tilted. So we're going to try getting that result on this board, but spinning. All right. Fingers crossed. Here we go. Now I am going to put I see a lot of stuff in there. That's what happens when you mix your paints in a cup that I used previously for a pearl pour. I just mixed more paint in it. I think I got everything. Okay. Spread that a little bit. Oh, that's so bad. Sorry, got so much junk in there. Now, although I had the Behr paint, house paint, in this base, I am going to just lightly get some of those bubbles. Okay, so here we go with our... Now, I'm just using one color because I want to see if this works. And then I might do another, if it works, with multiple colors. But it's an experiment, so I'm just using the one color to see how it reacts with the spinning. So I want to make a thick ribbon. Okay. And I am looking for my shadow, which you see there. Got some shadowing. Going to give it a real quick. I don't know why I keep picking up this torch that does not work. My goodness. I'm going to give it a quick torch. And now we are going to spin and see if we'll get any results from spinning and not tilting. Here we go. Because we definitely want our paint, our pour paint thin. So let's see if we get any pearls to pop up doing it this way. I'm going to give it one more spin. Okay. Now we're going to let it develop and see what happens. that I've let this set, the pearls did grow a little bigger, but they're not the big juicy ones that I like to see. But they did form perfectly, as you can see. And spinning it definitely got the pour paint to spread. And it looks like it spread it evenly because all of the pearls are basically the same size and shape. So, my experiment, I think, was a success. So, I hope you all enjoyed this video. These are the measurements, ingredients that I used. I will also put them in the description below. And I'm really happy with this. The composition is kind of, but it was an experiment. So we'll see if she survives being kept or not. Thank you all for tuning in. Stay safe out there. Be blessed. See you next pour. Bye.